Oh man. Oh. I'm gonna invite some friends over. Yeah, Jack. Yeah, you wanna come down with your buddies? Alright. Yeah, no. Okay. Alright. Alright, see ya. Hey, Jack.
Hey, Sebastian.
You want a couple of beers?
Sure.
Alright.
So, Sebastian, what's going on?
Well, I do have something to tell you. But we'll do that later.
Okay.
You want to play a game of chess?
Sure. It's later. 10 minutes later.
Gonna beat you! I beat you. Finally. Alright. Let's go on, Jack. I gotta show you this thing. You gotta be quiet. Yep, that's it. Ready to go up? Yep. Let's go.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special message. Pet Pal. Pet Pal is founded by Pet Pal Incorporated. Buy Pet Pal now. 1-800-PET-PAL. Pet Pals, just to make it 7 letters. And now back to the program. Doo-doo-doo.
Hey, Jack, come on up. It's pretty nice up here.
Oh man, smells.